seconds later.
That's the nigga that stole my partner's wheels when I sold my VSKFs. I sold them to my boy, and he had the GS, and this is where we found him at. But anyway, y'all, one of the many COVID tests I take during the week, this one was interesting. This was a different one. Word to the wise, don't drink a Red Bull and come off of a motorcycle to go to your appointment, because when they take your blood pressure, they gonna swear you about to die. You know, it's like, yo, lady, I've been taking hella COVID tests. Only difference today is, man, I want to take the streets. Only difference today is a Red Bull, and I rode a motorcycle to it. She didn't say nothing about the heart rate, but she said my blood pressure was high. I could only think that the Red Bull, come on, y'all. Anyway, y'all, what's happening? We brought the R6 out today. It is a Tuesday currently. This thing feels like such a rowdy little hooligan. I love this bike. We were supposed to have a track day this past weekend. My boy went, I didn't. I thought the weather wasn't going to be favorable, and you know, it held out. It held out right at the track. And we got another one this weekend. Weather's still looking the same, but I didn't cancel this one yet. Now, trust me, I tried. But after my boy said that the weather was cool, it was raining everywhere else except for at the track, I'm like, well, fingers crossed that we have the same kind of condition. If not, we gonna have a wet ass track day, y'all. So we'll see how that turns out. So he went by himself though, and got some okay footage. It was pretty cool. He had the settings set up on his own, so I don't know exactly what the settings were, but here goes some footage from the track day. So for me, I'm gonna go ahead and go to this one. Hopefully we don't have any rain. Keep my fingers crossed on that, because that's gonna be a strange occurrence if we have to do this shit in the rain. But I mean, it's whatever. I'm looking to get the most experience that I can. Can we get a slow one off? Yeah. Slow wheelies are the best. That was fun as shit. Let's get one more off. God, this bike is so fun, man. That's danger. Danger, Will Robinson. Fuck, this bike is fun. It feels like I'm riding a Zuma. Why is this bike so fun? So anyway, we got track action. I'm just trying to accumulate as much track time as possible, as much experience as possible. There's things I want to learn. There's things I really want to do with this track shit. And I have to get the experience to do it. I do want to do this bike here. Oh, no, you know, got a wheelie. Oh, nope, there's a truck coming out. I'm about to wheelie right into that Jeep grill. Another SRT kill. I really want to get good. it's kind of like the car thing, like drifting. I got really good at drifting really quickly, and I kind of want to do the same with the bike thing, but the bike has a different variable. Death, nigga. I don't want to rush into anything. You hit a tire stack, you bounce off a mountain, dirt drop. All of that shit don't equal death in a car. On these though, boy, dead or really hurt. Getting a nice first class trip
in our favorite rocket ship, zooming through the sky
on a helicopter.
Where is it at?
And I don't want to do that. So I am, you know, kind of pushing myself. And when I mean pushing myself, I mean doing the street training, which, yo, I need to let y'all know, street training means shit on the track. Only thing you're doing when we're pushing it on the street is getting familiar with the bike. You're not getting familiar with how to do corners or how to mash or none of that shit. You're getting familiar with yourself and the bike. I just have to make that clear because there's no substitute for the track. And the more times you do the track, you get better at the track. The more I can get to the track, the more, C8 vet, the more I can get to the track, the more, you know, I think it'll be beneficial to myself and my talents and my stoppies. Stoppie was garbage. This is what I'm talking about with this weather, right? It looked crazy as shit. So I didn't opt to go. So anyway, this is fun, but this is where we're going. Track day, Thunder Hill, same course. It is reverse though. I wanted to go in the same direction, but it is reverse. But at least we're in the same course. I'm familiar with it, sort of. But we're gonna be in the rain. Let's go.
Hey, yo, guys, this is insane. Every time the weather changes, if you come to the coast, man, you're gonna be very, very entertained. This is like hella peaceful. As y'all can see, because there's nothing else out there. This is the end of California. There's definitely clouds that are not backing off. Look at that shit. I don't know, y'all. Do we go to this track day? I'm still so confused. The company hasn't hit me back. I have contacted and emailed them to see if it's still going on. I've gotten absolute no communication. I'm confused. I'm gonna try one more time to call them today just to confirm if it's going on, just to see if they know anything about specific weather patterns there at the track. But it's looking ugly, y'all. It's looking amazing, but it's looking ugly.
Okay.